The National Electrical Code, or NEC, mandates a disconnecting means to be installed within sight of the meter, or if that's not possible, within 50 feet of the meter. This requirement exists for very specific safety reasons. Its primary purpose is to ensure that the electrical service can be rapidly disconnected in case of an emergency. The code aims to provide a readily accessible point of disconnection for first responders, electricians, or anyone needing to energize the system quickly. Consider a scenario where there's a fire or electrical fault at the meter location. Having a disconnect nearby allows for immediate shutoff of power, preventing further damage or injury. In situations where the meter is located far from the main building, the absence of a local disconnect poses a significant safety risk. It forces individuals to travel a considerable distance to the main disconnect, potentially delaying the response in a critical situation. The code recognizes that not all installations are identical. Sometimes, due to site constraints or other factors, placing the disconnect within sight of the meter isn't feasible. In those cases, the NEC provides an alternative, allowing the disconnect to be located within 50 feet of the meter. This 50-foot rule ensures that the disconnect remains reasonably accessible without requiring direct line of sight. Firstly, the term disconnecting means as used in the NEC refers to a device or group of devices by which the conductors of a circuit can be disconnected from their source of supply. It is used to de-energize electrical equipment for safety purposes. Secondly, a disconnecting means must plainly indicate whether it is in the open, off, or closed on position. Thirdly, it must be suitable for the environment in which it is installed. For example, a disconnect located outdoors must be in a weatherproof enclosure. In a situation where the meter is 200 feet away from the building, and the only disconnect is located inside the building at the point of entry, it does not meet the NEC requirement for disconnecting means to be installed within 50 feet of the meter. Because of this, the inspector is correct in requiring a disconnect to be installed closer to the meter. The solution involves installing a disconnect switch or circuit breaker in a weatherproof enclosure near the meter. This will provide a local means of disconnecting the electrical service, satisfying the NEC requirement and improving overall safety. It is important to select a disconnect switch or circuit breaker that is rated for the appropriate voltage and amperage for the electrical service. The enclosure should be weatherproof to protect the disconnect from the elements. After the disconnect is installed, a re-inspection of the electrical system is needed to ensure it complies with all NEC requirements. This inspection verifies that the disconnect is properly installed, labeled, and functions as intended. The electrical inspector will review the installation to confirm that it meets all applicable codes and standards, ensuring the safety and reliability of the electrical system. Failing to comply with the NEC requirements can have several consequences. Firstly, the electrical system may not be approved for use, potentially delaying or preventing the building from being occupied. Secondly, it can create a hazardous situation that puts people and property at risk. Thirdly, it can result in fines or other penalties from the local authorities. The NEC is updated every 3 years, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest requirements. This ensures that electrical installations meet the current safety standards. Firstly, consulting with a licensed electrician can help ensure that the electrical system is installed correctly and safely. Secondly, contacting the local building department can provide information on the specific electrical codes and regulations that apply in your area. Thirdly, reviewing the NEC handbook can provide detailed explanations of the code requirements. In summary, the NEC requires a disconnecting means to be installed within sight of the meter, or if not, within 50 feet of the meter. This requirement is in place for safety reasons, and it is important to comply with it. Installing a disconnect close to the meter will ensure that the electrical service can be quickly disconnected in the event of an emergency.